All right, through the magic of time, we are done. I would go inside here, but I don't want to walk on my perfect floors. I don't know if y'all caught earlier, there was mud or something like that on the carpet, and the client did approve to add on carpet cleaning. And there was a red stain over there. There's also little spots right there. Got that cleaned. And then there was footprints on the side here. The problem is they still have like paint, or I don't know what that is, like grout or what it is, but that's not something we're responsible for. We're just coming through doing basic wipe down and clean up of everything. Turn the light off. Okay, and then right here was a large amount of footprints. You can see a lot better. All right, and then the stairs were the worst. Very ashy. They haven't fully dried yet, but they were the worst. All right. You said how long before it dries? I'd say about 20 minutes. No more than 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm about to come out right now. Sure. Yeah. All right. No, I already did the stairs. Just back your way out. Okay, so Kurt did the pressure washing outside, and remember how it was before he got here. Okay. I'll grab my backpack. Okay. So, yep. Looks a lot better. All that mud and stuff sprayed off. I forgot to show the back patio also. He even sprayed a little bit inside here. There was some mud right there on the inside. Okay. And anybody out there that does concrete work, shoot me a message or a comment on how come this concrete is like, see how it's white right here and then orange right here. It's like, I expected it all to really whiten up, but now that I'm looking at it closer when it's cleaned, I see that it's like layers of concrete. So maybe this driveway was made a while ago, but whoever did it, it probably didn't seal it or anything. But I was expecting it to be like this white, and see how it's like orange. It's just deeply embedded orange. So all right, and then you have the final sidewalks, which I really did expect. I mean, so they're still wet, granted, but you see how it's like gray right here, orange right here. I really expected all that orange to come out, but nope, did not happen. So there's all the dirt and everything that came down. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Really appreciate everyone watching the videos. Thank you all for watching again, and see you in the next one.